Spinal Muscular Atrophy, or SMA, is considered one of the most feared neuromuscular disorders in children. Weakness, inability to sit, stand, or talk, and a life limited by expensive injections and hopelessness. But what if we told you there's a natural way to reverse it, a method proven on real children? This is the story of a natural immunotherapy. SMA happens when the SMN1 gene responsible for motor neuron survival is missing or faulty. This stops the brain's messages from reaching the muscles. As a result, the muscles shrink and movement stops. Conventional medicine tries to inject synthetic genes, costing over 16 crore rupees per dose. Some show mild improvement, but what if the real cause is not only in the genes? Natural Immunotherapy believes SMA is more than a genetic fault. It's the result of deep nutritional failure, toxic overload, and loss of immune control over nerves. The solution: nourish, detox, rebuild. Before starting treatment, the child is evaluated using simple, non-invasive tests. We check bone marrow function, nutrient deficiencies, digestive health, and immune strength. No biopsies, no painful injections. The core of natural immunotherapy is based on specialized boosters, improves blood quality, neuron-building nutrients, and immune activity, supplies vitamins B1, B6, B12, magnesium, and more to regenerate damaged neurons, strengthens brain-body communication, and removes internal inflammation, enhances protein metabolism so muscles can rebuild naturally. Children are given an SMA-friendly diet, no heavy protein, no sugar, more fruits, vegetables, coconut water, beetroot, and amla. Water intake is increased to flush out stored toxins. Alongside, mild massage and reflex stimulation are done. Simple movements slowly bring back muscle activity. Speech and sitting milestones begin to return. In just 30 days, children show more energy and a stronger voice. In 3 to 4 months, head holding, sitting, and movement begins. In 6 to 9 months, full recovery is possible, walking, talking, and smiling again. This isn't theory. Many SMA children under 1 year have fully recovered without gene therapy, without side effects. Because natural immunotherapy works with nature, not against it. If your child is diagnosed with SMA, don't lose hope. There's a safe, effective, and affordable way. Natural immunotherapy has already transformed lives. The next could be yours. SMA is not a life sentence. Your child deserves a chance,